For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Simply stated, as it applies to you and me, it means we can achieve nothing without paying the price. Now, what is that price?
Now, what is that price? All right. On the previous videos, what we were doing, we were finding the sum of the terms, okay? So now let's just look at the examples where we can just, apply some of this. All right. The first example that we see here, it says given the formula. So in this case, we are just given this formula, this one. All right. We are given determine the first three terms of the sequence. Okay, so what we know is that S1 is equal to T1. Why is that? S1 is like we're just having one term in the sequence, okay? So that one term is the same as the first term of the what? Of the sequence. That's why we're saying S1 is equal to what? T1 there, all right? So now since S1 is equal to T1, let's just find S1 and see what we have. So S1, where there is N, I'm just writing 1, eh? I'm writing 1 where there is N. So what I get here, 1 squared will give me 1, 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. 1 multiplied by 9, I get 9, 9 plus 2, this gives me 11. All right, that gives me 11 there. Now, which means sum of the first term is equal to T1, which is equal to what? 11. Right. Now, we have our T1 is equal to 11. So we need T2 now. In order for us to get T2, we do it the same way, okay? So we will have the sum of two terms, T1 plus T2, okay? Now, we need to substitute again. Where there is N, we're writing 2. Can you see that? So where there is N, we are going to write 2 there. So let's do it. I see we have got 2. We write 2 there. Plus 9 multiplied by 2, right? So let's see what we get. 2 squared give me 4. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Plus 9 multiplied by 2, that give me 18. Now 18 plus 8, that give me 26. All right. So we have got 26. Now we know that the sum of the first two terms is equal to what? 26. So we can do substitution. All right. Let's just do substitution. Where I see S2, I'm going to write 26. Do I have T1? Yes, I do. My T1 is equal to 11. So I write 11 plus T2. I'm looking for T2 now. All right. So now I have got 26 minus 11 is equal to T2. Now T2 is equal to 15. So we have got T1, T2, so we need T3. All right, in order for us to get T3, let's just find the sum of the three terms. Okay, so it's the sum of the three terms. So this will be T1 plus T2 plus T3. Now, first of all, I go there and find my sum of the three terms. So where there is N, I'm just writing 3. I'm writing 3 where there is N. All right. So this is what we are having. So when you say 3 squared, you get 9. 9 multiplied by 2, that is 18. We have got 18 plus 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Now 18 plus 27, that will give us 45. All right. So which means this one is equal to 45. We have got 45 there. Do we have our T1? Yes, we have it. It's 11. Do we have our T2? Yes, we do. It's 15. So we write 15 there. Do we have our T3? No, is the one that we are looking for. So we have it like this. Right, now we have got 45 minus 11 minus 15, all right, is equal to T3. T3 is the one that we're looking for. Now we can say, therefore, T3 is equal to 19, all right. We get 19. When you say 45 minus 11 minus 15, that gives you 19. Now we have answered the question. The question wanted us to find the first three terms. Now, what are those first three terms? Here they are. T1 is equal to 11. T2 is equal to 15. T3